what's up again? I'm gonna be doing a reaction video, and I'm gonna be reacting to CJ Eats' video of the Mr. Beast Burger Mukbang. So let's get into the video right now. On to the video. Right now.
Hey guys, I miss you so much. Now today, I'm doing a Mr. Beast Burger Mukbang. Now today I have a dream burger. And I have seasoned fries. And I have a bottled water, of course.
Okay.
Let's do this. So good. So good.
Oh yeah. Alright, no, Mr. Novick is just getting annoying.
I love me some beef burger.
And it was.
Fries.
Mr. Beast fries. But it does.
Hey guys, it's right. I'm posting a while. Okay. If you guys enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video.
So yeah, that's the end of the reaction video. And I hope you guys like this reaction video. And if you want to, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn those notification bells on every time I upload. And share my videos with your friends and family, everyone. And subscribe to CJ Eats if you're new. Subscribe if you're new. Let's get on to 2K subscribers just like me. So, and I hope you guys, and I'll see you guys in some next. Subscribe if you're new. If you like the content that he does, and that is mukbang. So yeah, and I'll see you guys in the next banger video or banger reaction video, and I'll see you guys later. Peace out, everyone.